This week's topic is about spanning a desktop over multiple displays. I'm Steve, this is TQA Weekly. This question comes from a user on Reddit, especially the tech support subreddit. And it is, can you extend a desktop over two or more monitors using a single HDMI cable outputting from a computer, in their case, a laptop? Based off the question, we know they have a laptop. They intend to use two more displays to give a triple display productivity feel. The device that they're looking into that they're unaware of is called a display docking station. It does in fact allow for two or more monitors to be plugged into a single display port. It may not work exactly as they wish and therefore might cause some issues. Your laptop manufacturer does intend your laptop to function with the main monitor always in use. You can switch that over to an external monitor and only use that as well. However, you definitely do take a performance hit whenever you're using the main monitor and an external monitor. When using a display docking station, the problem is that now you are rendering more pixels than the laptop's configuration was ever intended to do, and you will definitely take a bigger hit than just a single monitor in performance, obviously. My own personal recommendations would be to use this kind of tech on laptops with discrete graphics, not graphics that are APU or CPU bound, because that will give you a bigger performance hit than if you had a discrete graphics card. Also, you will have to provide, in many cases, the extra cables. You will definitely have to provide the extra monitors, and they should definitely be the same size. But it is possible to do, and it's definitely equipment that you can get out there. It's just very expensive to get into that game. And on top of that specific thing, I definitely suggest that you don't try gaming on this, especially if you're using an APU or graphics from a CPU, as the performance hit will definitely slow down your gaming experience and it won't give you a result that you actually intended. This is usually better left to desktops, but it is in fact possible on a laptop. I hope that answers your question. Like if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play games such as Metro Exodus, head over to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where I play 3 or more times a week. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.